This is what my game looked like when I started the project. Now this is what it looked like a couple of months ago. This is what the game looks like now. Now that this is my progress so far, you must be wondering that what comes next. Or maybe not, but in case if you are wondering that what comes next, then the very first thing that you should do is subscribe to my channel. That is the easiest way I can share with you the status updates. And if it's okay, press that bell icon. So, what now? Like, we have this game. It is something, but how do I polish it? What features can I add more to this? And what am I planning for this? Well, for starters, some of the core components are still missing, even though this looks really nice for a game. But the components that I'm talking about are kind of critical in the current situation. So for example, a game loop, a basic game loop is not present. Now that is, of course, we can start the game, we have the main menu, we can go into the game, but we cannot restart the game here. If we press the escape button, we can exit, we can resume. We can resume. Yeah, completely skipped through my head. So yeah, if I press the escape button, I can resume the game, but yeah, I cannot restart the game. So that is a thing. I will have to add that one more feature. Now after that, I want a feature, a specific feature, like imagine meteor or asteroid. No, asteroid. Imagine an asteroid. It's big, right? So when I shoot it, it should become small or it should break into two. Now that is generally how destruction happens. Now I will get some score on basis of the destruction I have done to this. It will be simple 50 point or something. Like, I'm not measuring the destruction, I will not do that, but I'll do it like we hit the bullseye. Okay, now I need to get some score because I hit it. Next, when it breaks, it splits into two, or it becomes smaller. One of the two things: either it is going to split into two, or it's going to become smaller. As the target now is smaller, I'm going to get 100 points if I hit it. After that, there will be another breakage. Like, there are 3 levels. In this 3rd level, it is going to become either more smaller or it is going to break same. But it is going to be consistent. If the first time it broke into 2, the second time also it is going to break into 2 or something like that. But if it is going to become smaller, then in the next phase also it is going to become smaller. So that is going to be consistent. And the scoring system is going to be like, if I hit for the first time, it is going to give me 50 points. For the second time, it is going to give me 100 points. And if I hit the last one, the smallest one, it is going to give me 150 points. These numbers may vary, but this tells us the idea, right? So a core game loop, a restart things, or play again, that is going to be there. And score tracking is missing as of now. There is no way to record the progress. Although I talk about giving scores, but score system is not in place. That is going to be there. Then there is going to be the power-up system. In the current state, we can only shoot one bullet, and it can touch or collide with someone or something, and the thing is destroyed. It is despawned. That is the current system. So yeah, our game looks attractive, it looks really nice, it looks beautiful, but some of the core functionalities are missing. So this I will be targeting for 2 to 3 weeks. Upcoming 2 to 3 weeks I will be developing that, working on that. Then I will compilation field. I don't know if I can show you that or not, but yeah, compilation field. Yep. Now after that I will be doing, so what we already have in place is physics based gameplay, right? So we have some mass, there is no friction because we are in space. We have some mass for each object. They are, whenever they are spawned, they have some force, and because of that force they move in a particular direction. Not force, whenever they are spawned they have an impulse, and based on this impulse they move in a particular direction. So that's there. Now after that, particles are spawned randomly, and we have 3 varieties of enemies already in place. The enemy system is there, assets are not there. We have simple squares, and the way to differentiate between 3 types of enemies is the color. So the way this is there is a blue enemy, red enemy, and then purple enemy. Purple enemy is going to take 2 hits, but it's not as much powerful. Red only takes 1 hit, but it's super fast. And blue also takes only 1 hit, but it's slow, but it's the most powerful one. So that is the current system, and this is going to be the game plan for next 2 to 3 weeks. Yep. After that we will also jump into the monetization part, the marketing of the game, and how do I deal with polishing of this product.